Hi everyone, we've got another analysis video today, and this wasn't actually a viewer's clip. A big thanks to all my viewers and subs who have sent videos in over the past couple of months, and to be honest, we've had some absolute crackers. Please continue to do it in the same way. Follow us on Instagram, send us links to there, or at my normal email address, which is ashleysanalysis@gmail.com. But back to this video. We had a driving lesson with one of my pupils a number of weeks back, and it was on a relatively fast road, and this really highlights the problems with BMW drivers. I know I'm driving one, but it highlights the problems with BMW drivers, and as I'm always cracking on about, how people treat learner drivers. Let's have a little think about the dangers that this incident caused.
Yeah.
Do you see?
Yeah.
So, who's to our right in case? No one, but building speed reasonably, so we can build with them reasonably, can't we?
Yeah.
That BMW, slow, 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 slow.
Bingo.
Stop. Put it in first. And off we go. Okay. That was quite amazing.
I thought you stopped and started a lane switch.
It certainly did. What do you think they did that for? Why do you think they were in lane 2 if they knew they were going in a petrol station? Trying to get past that learner driver, and that's people.
And then the learner driver started explaining a bit more.
The learner driver did in front did really well, and then all you do is just get the sort of like, I must overtake a learner. You then get the mentality of people, unfortunately, who do drive these German cars a lot of the time. Okay, not just BMWs as well, but you get Audis and Mercedes and sometimes Volkswagens and certain brands of car. People feel as though they've made it when they get one of these, and they feel as though that they have the God-given right to do whatever they want whenever they want, which I think that situation really proves it, mate, doesn't it? Yeah. But notice, if we were unsure, hold back, and the best thing we could have done to cure the situation for everyone was do what we did in the end and stop. Yeah. Left turn, please. So what's your initial thoughts on that? Was that the BMW driver being stereotypically BMW? Was the BMW driver caught out because they thought that the learner car was going to be a little bit slower away and it actually wasn't? Or was it just a lack of thought and a lack of planning? Let's have a look. Driving's all about being a pessimist. So let's start off with having a look at where the BMW came from. It just arrives in lane 3, the one next to me to my right hand side. For me, this next moment is quite critical. The learner in front nearly stalls as they move off, and I think that gives the BMW to the right a little encouragement that they can get past.
Yeah.
Do you see?
Yeah.
So, who's to our right in case? Now watch closely the rate of acceleration of the BMW. It puts its foot down quite a bit. Building speed reasonably, so we can build with them reasonably. But now it decides to brake, throw a left signal on, and wishes to turn into the car wash.
Yeah.
That BMW, slow, 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 slow.
Bingo.
Stop. Even with my pupil doing an amazing job and slowing down exactly how I asked them to reduce risk, the amount of danger that the grey BMW put us in was quite impressive. Let's now have a look at this incident and how it affected people coming up behind.
Now, this is probably the most important learning point for most people who are going to be watching this video. Look at the difference in the acceleration from the Ford that's following compared to the cars in lane 2. The Ford following grows its gap nicely, whereas all the others are just playing follow the leader. And when the BMW starts its crazy manoeuvre, look at the difference in the danger levels of people slowing in lane 1 compared to lane 2. Look how much more bunched they get quite quickly. So when you're accelerating away in traffic, try and grow your space in front, so if anything like this happens, you're more in charge and you're a lot safer.
For what reason the BMW tried to carry out that manoeuvre, who knows? It could have been one of many things, but that for me is irrelevant. The important part to take from a situation like this is the danger that it causes with the traffic behind. Now, I know the last video that I stuck out, the one with the Volkswagen Transporter and the Pigeon, people were commenting about cars coming up behind should always be able to stop in a distance they see is clear. And I'm absolutely 100% with you. So this situation shouldn't ever really be a problem if people are doing the correct things. But the simple fact is they don't. People aren't as good as maybe they should be. And when such stupidity happens, like this BMW driver, that's when you can have serious accidents. And again, I always talk about lorries coming up behind, the extra weight of the lorries. You imagine if there was a lorry driver not paying attention, that BMW driver does that stupid manoeuvre, honestly, the results again could have been fatal. So have a little bit of thought for other people on the road. And that's the main thing that should really come from this particular video, that this BMW driver is utterly selfish in their thought process of their driving, and that is despicable.
Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. I'll see you all soon.